How to recover your Google account's password. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to easily recover your Google account's password if you have forgotten it. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So first thing first, you need to open up your web browser. I'm just going to use Google Chrome. And here on the search bar, you're just going to search for account recovery. Now you're just going to tap on the support.google.com and then tap on this link right here. It will take you through a step-by-step process on how you can recover your account. So if you have any problem, you can read through this article, but under this option right here, forgot your password, tap on recover your Google account. And once you tap on this link, you are just going to enter your email address and then tap next. And after doing that, you can use the fingerprint or face or lock screen to recover your account if you have set this before. I have not done that, so I'm just going to tap on try another way. Now, what you can do is if you have added a recovery email, you can try to send a recovery email on your phone. But if you don't have it, then you will just have to wait and confirm your Google account here. So what I have done here is I've sent a verification code on my recovery email. So I'm just going to enter the code right here. So once you have entered your code, you can just tap on next, and then you should be able to recover your account. So you just have to confirm that phone is yours. So just tap on continue, and then you can update your password from here. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.